class 6th. How are you all? It's too cold. My hands are getting chilled. I'm wearing a new cap today. Nice, na? So, let's move. Today, we will learn from our book Honeysuckle. Okay? From the book Honeysuckle, we will see chapter number 7. And what is the name of the chapter? The name of the chapter is Fair Play. Okay? What is the name of the chapter? Fair Play. What is the chapter about? Have you read this chapter? No? Fine. I'll just give you an introduction about short that what are we going to see in this chapter. Okay? This is a story about the realization of two friends. Okay? In this story, we are going to see two friends who understood the importance of justice, who understand the importance of justice and right things in life. How? That we will come to know when we will read the chapter. Okay? And life makes them realize that justice and right things are above everything, including friendship. Okay? We'll see this in this chapter. Fine? So take the book in hand. I'll read the chapter also, and together with that I'll explain you the chapter also. Okay? So let's start with the chapter. In this chapter we will have two characters. One is Jumman Sheikh and second is Algu Chaudhary. Okay? They both are true friends. What happens further? Let's see. Jumman Sheikh and Algu Chaudhary. Jumman Sheikh and Algu Chaudhary were two friends. So strong was their bond of friendship that when either of them went away from the village, the other looked after his family. Both were greatly respected in the village. Okay? Jumman had an old aunt who had some property. This she transferred to him on the understanding that she would stay with him and he would look after her. The arrangement worked well for a couple of years. When the situation changed, Jumman and his family were tired of the old relative. Jumman became indifferent to her as his wife, who grudged even the little food that the old lady wanted every day. She swallowed these insults along with her food for a few months, but patience has its limits. Okay? Look after. Look after means to take care. Jumman Sheikh had to take care of his old relative. Okay? And what is respected? Respected means to show regard to someone. Then grudges. What is grudges? Grudges means to give something unwillingly. Okay? And swallow. Swallow means she swallowed the insults. Means she tolerated all the insult whatever she got from Jumman and his wife. Okay? So now here, how does the story start? The story starts as Jumman Sheikh and Algu Chaudhary. There were two characters. There are two characters in this. They both were best friends. Okay? And their relationship of friendship, you can say, was so deep that if one friend went out somewhere, okay, whenever one of the friend went out of the village, the other friend used to take care of the family. Means here you can say that they even took care of each other's family when one of them had to go out or away from the village. Okay? And both were respected for their loyalty and sincerity. Means whatever work they did with full loyalty and full sincerity. Okay? Now here, if you talk about Jumman had an aunt. Okay, Jumman had an aunt, and that aunt had some property. That aunt had some property which she transferred to his name. His name means which Jumman's aunt transferred her property to Jumman's name. Okay, name. And in return, what did she expect? In return, she expected only that Jumman would take care of her. Okay. Now this settlement of taking care of Jumman's aunt worked for 2 years, for maximum 2 years in aunt's favor. Okay. But now after that, what happened? After 2 years, Jumman and his family's behavior changed towards that old aunt. Okay. Now they were fed up with that old relative who was staying with them. Jumman showed no interest, and same happened with Jumman's wife also. Okay. Now Jumman's wife also started, whatever food she gave to the old lady, she gave it unwillingly. Means she didn't want it. She was not interested at all that whether that lady is alive or no, or she is hungry or no. Okay. But Jumman aunt, what happened? She tolerated this behavior only for few days. Okay. That's why it is been said that patience has its limits. Okay. So Jumman's aunt also tolerated whatever misbehavior was done with her. She tolerated that misbehavior for some months, for few days. After that, one day she called Jumman and spoke to him. Okay. One day she spoke to Jumman. I'm reading, just pay attention in the book. One day she spoke to Jumman, "My son, it is now obvious that I am not wanted in your house. That I am not wanted in your house. Kindly give me my monthly allowance so that I can set up a separate kitchen. My wife knows best how to run the room, or how to run the house. Be patient," said Jumman shamelessly. This made his aunt very angry, and she decided to take her case to the village panchayat. Okay, what is obvious? OBVIOUS. Obvious. Obvious means clear. And allowance means to share some money. Okay, some share of money. So, what happened? Now the tolerance of Jumman and his wife was not at all bared by the lady. By the lady means by the aunt. Okay. So she decided to speak to Jumman about this. So she called Jumman and said that she knew it clearly that nobody liked her in the house. She spoke to Jumman very clearly that she can feel, or it was clear to her that nobody in Jumman's house was liking her. Okay, and that she was unwanted in the house. So she asked Jumman that, so it would be better, she said to Jumman that it would be better if he could give her some amount of money on a monthly basis so that she could manage her kitchen independently. Independently means separately, on her own. If she wants, she can cook something, she can eat whatever she wants. Okay. So Jumman what did? Shamelessly he replied, means without caring anything that he is talking to his aunt or he is talking to someone else, he replied shamelessly to aunt and said that his wife knew about the house matters better. Okay, and with this kind of response, aunt was not hoping that she was going to get such kind of a response from Jumman. Okay, but with such kind of a response, what happened? This made aunt very angry and upset. Okay, then what did she decide? On such kind of a behavior from Jumman, which she was not expecting at all. Okay, what happened? She thought of taking the case to the village panchayat. Okay, she decided that Jumman is not going to listen to me in such a way. It is better to take this case to the village panchayat. Okay, now what happened? For many days, the old lady was seen talking to the villagers and explaining her case. For many days, the old lady was seen talking to the villagers, explaining her case and seeking their support. Some sympathized with her, others laughed at her, and few others advised her to make it up with her nephew and his wife. At last, she came to Algu Chaudhary and spoke to him. You know, Chachi, Jumman is my best friend. How can I go against him? Algu said. But is it right, my son, to keep mum and not say what you consider just as fair? Pleaded the old lady. Come to the panchayat and speak the truth, she said. Algu didn't reply, but her words kept ringing in his ears. Okay, make it up. Make it up means stop quarreling. Okay, and mum means to be quiet. Now here what happened? The old lady, when she decided to take the case to the village panchayat, before going to the village panchayat, she spoke about her case to the villagers. Okay, talked about every detail of the whole matter, whatever she has, and asked for help from everyone. Okay, now in return, what happened? When she was talking about her case with each and every person, some people pitied her. Okay, some people pitied her, some made fun of her, some took her case in a joke. Okay, and some, what did they suggest? Some of them suggested that it would better for the old lady to patch up with her nephew and his wife. Nephew means here you can say nephew, niece. Okay, bhatija, bhatiji, the one which you call in Hindi. Okay, then finally what did aunt decide? Aunt decided that she should meet Algu Chaudhary. So she finally went to Algu Chaudhary, who was Jumman's best friend. Okay, she went to Algu Chaudhary and had a word with him. Had a word with him means had a talk with him regarding whatever Jumman was doing with her. Okay, now Algu, as he was a best friend of Jumman, he hesitated. And what did he say? He said to aunt that it was not possible for him to go against his best friend Jumman. Okay, but the old lady requested and posed a question to him. What question did she pose? She posed a question that and asked him that if it was right thing to keep quiet and not to speak anything which he thought was right. Means what was she trying to say here? Here she was trying to explain Algu that do you think that whatever you are doing is right? Means if you know, if something is going wrong in front of you and if you are keeping mum means if you are keeping silent, then do you think that you are doing the right thing? Further, she more stressed Algu and said that come to panchayat and speak to what was right. Okay, but what happened to Algu? For this, Algu didn't say a single word. Why? Because he was not now understanding what should he do. Should he go against Jumman, who was his best friend, or should he see to what was the aunt telling? Because he knew that the aunt was telling the right thing. But now he was confused that should he go with aunt and speak the truth in the panchayat, or should he move on with his best friend and speak nothing? But the words which were spoken by aunt kept on bothering him. Okay, kept on bothering him. He listened to what aunt had said. But now, what to be done? Okay. Now further, aunt took the case to the court. Court means to the panchayat. And now the panchayat was held on the same evening. What happened? The panchayat was held the same evening and under an old banyan tree. Jumman stood up and said, "The voice of the Panch is the voice of God. Let my aunt nominate the head Panch. I will abide by her decision." What is nominate? Nominate means to propose, okay, or to suggest someone else's name, and abide means to accept. Okay, I'm further reading the lesson. The Panch knows neither friend nor enemy. What do you say to Algu Chaudhary? Said the old woman announced. Fine, replied Jumman, hiding his joy over his unexpected piece of luck. Chachi, you are aware of my friendship with Jumman, said Algu. I know that, replied the aunt, but I also know that you will not kill your conscience for the sake of friendship. God lives in the heart of the Panch, and the voice is the voice of God. The old lady explained her case. Jumman, said Algu, you and I are old friends. Your aunt is as dear to me as you. Now I am a Panch. You and your aunt are equal for me. What have you to say in your defense? 3 years ago, began Jumman, my aunt transferred her property to me. I promised to support her as long as she lived. I have done all I could. There have been a couple of quarrels between my wife and her, but I can't stop it. Now my aunt is claiming a monthly allowance for me. If it is not possible, that's all I have to say. Now what is defense? Defense means in your protection, what you want to say. If you go to the court also, the judge will ask you the same thing. What do you want to say in defense? So here also, when the case of Chachi, of aunt, was taken to the panchayat asked Jumman, what does he want to say in defense? And what is conscience? Conscience means moral sense. Okay. Now here what happened when the aunt took the case to the panchayat was arranged at the same evening. Okay, under a banyan tree. You know that in the villages, there is the court, you can say it has not been held in the four walls. Okay, it has been held under a tree or something like that, or on the, you can say, what is there in the Chauraha or something like that, 4 crossroads. Okay, in the villages it happens so. So here also the panchayat was held arranged under the old banyan tree. Okay, now what did Jumman said? When the panchayat was arranged, everybody was there. Jumman said that the voice of the Panch is has the highest value. Okay, and the voice of the Panch is next to God. Saying this, he asked his aunt to suggest a head Panch. Okay, and he would accept whatever his aunt says. Okay. So what did the old lady say after that? When Jumman left everything on the old lady, on his aunt, that whatever aunt says, to whomsoever aunt declares as the Panch, he will accept that. So what did the old lady do? The old lady declared that is the Panch is always impartial. Yes, if you are sitting on you can say if you are given a very high place to sit, high place means like a designation here we can say, okay, sitting on that chair, sitting on that high designation, you should be impartial and unbiased. At that time, if sitting on that chair, if something is there in front of you, means take it as this way, that you are the judge of a court, okay, and in front of you there is some of your nearby relative, either he is your brother, son, anyone, okay, and you are to take the decision as a judge. At that time you should be impartial. You can't be partial, because the criminal at that time, or the person who is standing in front of you, is your brother or is your son or sister or anyone. You can't be impartial. You have to behave. You can't be partial. You have to behave impartial. So here what did the old lady declare? The old lady said that the Panch is always impartial and unbiased. Okay. Now Jumman hiding his feeling of joy, because who was the Panch at that time? His friend Algu, and he had full faith on Algu Chaudhary, because Algu Chaudhary was his closest friend. So he knew that whatever decision was to be given by Algu will be in Jumman's side. So Jumman, hiding his feeling of joy, showed his acceptation of the fact. Okay. Now Algu spoke to Chachi, asking her that if she was aware of his and Jumman's friendship. Okay. So for that what did aunt reply? The aunt said that she is well aware, and she also believed that he would never kill his inner voice. Okay. Never kill his inner voice for the sake of friendship. As the voice of Panch is the voice of God, and the God lives in the heart of the Panch. Now with this, the old lady started telling every detail of the matter. Now Algu asked Jumman to speak in his protection, making him aware that he and his aunt both were equal to him at present. Okay. Now here, as Algu was sitting on the seat of the Panch, whatever decision he will give, he will not give it as a friend, he will give it as a Panch. Okay. Now Jumman, when Algu asked Jumman about to speak in his protection, Jumman briefed that his aunt has transferred the property 3 years ago. Okay. Now in written, he had given the word that he will take care of his aunt till the last breath. Okay, and he did whatever he could do to support his aunt. But now what happens? Now he says that few days ago his wife and aunt fought with each other, and there were some issues which cannot be stopped by Jumman. And because of this, what does his aunt say? His aunt was asking for some amount of money on the monthly basis, which was not possible for him to give it. Okay, this is what Jumman said in front of the Jumman was cross-examined by Algu and others. Then Algu announced, "We have gone into the matter carefully. In our opinion, Jumman must pay his aunt a monthly allowance, or else the property goes back to her." What is opinion? Opinion means view. Okay. Now the two friends were seldom seen together. The bond of friendship between them was broken. In fact, Jumman was Algu's enemy and wanted his revenge. Days passed, and as ill luck would have it, Algu Chaudhary found himself in a tight spot. One of his fine pair of bullocks died, and he sold the other to Sanju Sahu, a cart driver of the village. The understanding was that the Sahu would pay the price of the bullock in a month's time. It so happened that the bullock died within a month. What is tight spot? Tight spot means difficult situation. Okay. Now, further what happened? Further it happened that Jumman was inquired. Okay, whatever Jumman said, the Panchayat did not easily believe on that. They cross-examined to whatever was said by Jumman. Okay, now Jumman was inquired and posed question over this by Algu and the other people who were sitting in the Panchayat. Now after questioning, Algu declared that they had inquired everything with full care, and in their views, after their inquiry, it was seen that Jumman was doing injustice towards his aunt. So what did they say to Jumman? That Jumman must, in their view, they said to Jumman that in their view, Jumman must pay monthly allowance to his aunt. Otherwise, the property which was given to Jumman by his aunt would be given back to Jumman's aunt. Okay, now with this decision, Jumman was not at all happy because he thought that his friend is Panch, so the decision would come on his side, but this didn't happen. Okay, after this decision, the two men means Jumman and Algu were never seen together. Means here you can say that their friendship bond was over. They were no longer friends. Okay, and Jumman felt hurt. Now, because of this, Jumman wanted to take revenge. Okay. Further, what happened? After some time, after some days, unfortunately, Algu Chaudhary was caught up in a very difficult situation. You know, it's life. There are many ups and downs in the life. There are sometimes happiness, there is sometimes sorrow also. Okay. Same happened here also. What did happen? The pair of bullocks which Algu Chaudhary had, from it one of the bullock died. Okay, and so what did Algu do? The second pair of the other one you can say. Okay, the other bullock, Algu sold it to Sanju Sahu. Sanju Sahu was a cart driver in the village. Okay, now it was a deal between Sanju Sahu and Algu that Sahu would pay the price of the bullock within a month. Okay, but again bad luck hit Algu Chaudhary. The bullock which Algu sold to Sanju Sahu died within a month. Okay, died within a month. Now several months after the death of that bullock, okay, Algu went to Sahu and reminded him what did he remind? Several months after the bullock's death, Algu reminded Sahu of the money he hadn't paid yet. Sahu got very annoyed. I can't pay you a penny to the wretched beast you sold me. He brought us nothing but ruin. I have a bullock. Use it for a month and then return it to me. No money for the dead bullock, he said angrily. Algu decided to refer the case to the Panchayat. For a second time in a few months, preparations for holding the Panchayat were made, and both the parties started meeting people seeking their support. The Panchayat was held under the old banyan tree. Algu stood up and said, the voice of the Panch is the voice of the God. Let Samju nominate the head Panch. I will abide by his decision. Okay. So here now what happened after this? After this, when the after the several months of when the bullock died, after the death of the bullock, okay, Algu went to Sahu, and what did he say? He said Sahu to pay the money. Now Sahu got annoyed. Annoyed means very angry with that. Okay, and he said in anger that it was not possible for him to pay a single penny for the poor animal which Algu sold him. Now because it brought him nothing, why was he not ready to pay the money? Because that dead buffalo did not give him anything. In other words, bad days, you can say. Only brought bad days. Further, Sahu offered Algu to take his bullock and use it for a month and return it back. But Sahu would pay no money for the dead bullock. Okay. Now listening to Sahu's decision, what does Algu decide? Algu decided to take the whole matter to the panchayat. Okay. The panchayat was again been held held twice in the time period of few months. First case was of Jumman's aunt. Now second case was again there in the panchayat within few months. Okay, and the second case was of Algu. Now both these parties again started as Jumman's aunt. Before putting her case to the panchayat, she met the people and talked to them. Same here also. Now both the parties, Sahu and Algu, they both started meeting people and asked for support. Okay. Now in the same way as the panchayat was held before, the panchayat was again held under the old banyan tree. Algu stood up and declared in the voice of the Panch that the Panch is the voice of the God, and in other words, the Panch had to be fair and just. With this declaration, he suggested that to whomsoever Sahu will propose as the Panch, he will accept to whatever the decision it would be. Okay, same as in Jumman and his aunt's case. Jumman left the selection of Panch on his aunt. Here also Algu left the selection of the Panch on Sahu. Okay, and he said whomsoever Sahu will select the Panch, he will readily accept that. Okay, so here using the intelligence, what did Sahu do? Sahu selected Jumman as the Panch. Sahu saw his chance and proposed the name of Jumman. Algu's heart sank and he turned pale. But what could he do? Proposed means here Sahu suggested Jumman's name. And Algu's heart sank means now after seeing that Sahu has proposed Jumman's name, he became very sad, you can say, and felt discouraged. Okay. Further, the moment Jumman became head Panch, he realized his responsibility as judge and the dignity of his office. Could he, seated in that high place, have his revenge now? He thought and thought. No, he must not allow his personal feelings to come in the way of speaking the truth and doing justice. Okay. Now Sahu, what did he do? Here Sahu suggested, he had an opportunity because he didn't wanted to pay the money of the bullock that was given by Algu to him. Okay. So when he got the opportunity of selecting the head Panch, he suggested Jumman's name. Now when Algu heard Jumman's name, he felt disheartened because he knew that there was no more friendship between Algu and Jumman. So he felt that Sahu has selected Jumman as the head punch means the decision is going to be in whose side? Sahu's side. So he became disheartened, okay, and weak from inside. But he was completely helpless because he had said that whomsoever Sahu will select as the head punch, he will accept that. So he had to accept Jumman as the head punch. Okay. Now as soon as Jumman was selected or became the head punch, he understood the responsibility of the judge. When he sat on that place, he sat on the seat of the judge, he understood the responsibility and the respect and decorum of his office. His inner voice forced him to think. Okay? While sitting on that seat, what did he think? He asked himself that if it was right thing to take the revenge while being seated on a high seat, high position. His higher voice means inner call. His inner call was asking him that sitting on this high place, whatever decision he was going to take, was it right? Because he was going to take in a form of revenge. If he takes the decision in a form of revenge, is he doing justice at that time? His higher voice means his inner voice did not permit his personal feelings to overpower the way of justice and truth at that time. Okay? After that, Algu and Sahu, they both stated their matter in front of the Panchayat. Algu and Sahu stated their cases. They were cross-examined and the case was considered deeply. Then Jumman stood up and announced, "It is our opinion that Sahu should pay Algu the price of the bullock. When Sahu bought the bullock, it suffered from no disability or disease. The death of the bullock was unfortunate, but Algu cannot be blamed for it." Algu could not contain his feelings. He stood up and said loudly over and over again, "Victory to the Panchayat! This is justice. God lives in the voice of the punch." Soon after, Jumman came to Algu, embraced him and said, "Since the last Panchayat, I had become your enemy. Today I realized what it meant to be a punch. A punch has no friend nor enemy. He knows only justice. Let no one deviate our path of justice and truth for friendship or enmity." Algu embraced his friend and wept, and his tear washed away all the dirt of misunderstanding between them. Deviate means move away from. Okay. Now further, Algu and Sahu both kept their matters in front of the Panchayat. Okay. Okay. Algu and Sahu spoke their matter and kept their view in concern before everyone. Now they were questioned and every small detail of the case was looked upon very minutely. Minutely means in a very inner matter also it was being examined, you can say. Okay. Now after hearing everything, means after full cross examination, what did Jumman do? Jumman stood up and declared that in their view means in the view of Panchayat, okay, the 5 punch who were sitting there, Sahu should pay Algu the price of the bullock. Why? Because at the time of sale and purchase, means when Sahu took the bullock was not suffering with any kind of disability or disease. And the death of the bullock was a bad luck. It could happen. So for that thing, Algu cannot be blamed. Okay, and so Sahu should pay Algu the price of the bullock. Now listening to this, Algu became very emotional. He stood up and started shouting. Shouting means he started saying loudly that the victory of the panchayat and a complete justice. Okay, and he also said that God is nowhere but in the voice of the panchayat. God never does any kind of injustice, my dears. If you are true, then God is always on side of you. Okay, now with this, when the decision was over, after this, Jumman went to Algu, hugged him, embraced him means hugged him, okay, and felt sorry for being his enemy. Till the last panchayat. Last panchayat means the last panchayat which was being held for Jumman and for the case of Jumman and his aunt. Here Algu is talking about, here Jumman is talking about that only. That they had been enemy from the last time of last panchayat. Okay. That day he had understood the importance of the panch. And he said that the panch is impartial and unbiased. He could not afford the panch sitting on the high seat. The panch has no friends, no enemies. Whatever decision taken by the panch should be impartial. Okay, and the panch knows only one thing, and that is justice. And he also said that nobody should ever move away from the path of justice and the truth for anything, either friendship or enmity. Listening to this, Algu hugged his friend and cried as if in repentance. Okay, and tears of Algu, what happened? With that tears, all the misunderstanding between the two friends were cleaned. Okay, dears. So this is the story about Algu and Jumman, the two friends who, because of their misunderstanding, became enemy. Okay. Okay, and they realized the importance of justice and right things in life. Okay, your life on itself makes you realize that justice and right things are above everything. And same we have seen in this story. Okay, let's move to the word meanings in the last. Fine. Looked after. Looked after means take care. Respected, to have a high opinion of, or to show regard, you can say. Grudges, give away unwillingly. Okay, felt angry, or you can say obvious, clear. Allowance, some share of money. Nominate, propose, or to suggest someone's name for something, you can say. Abide. Abide means accept. Okay. Defense, protection, it can be said. Conscience, moral sense. Opinion, view, thinking. As per my opinion, as per my view, you can say this way. Seldom, rarely, tight spot in a difficult situation. Wretched, poor and unhappy. Seeking, asking for or to make a request, you can say. Nominate. Nominate means to propose. Okay. Nominate means to propose, or you can say, or to recommend type of, it can be said in this way. Okay. Next is proposed, suggested. Okay. Proposed means suggested. Dignity. Dignity means high rank and respect. Dignity means high rank and respect. Cross-examined. Cross-examined means questioned. And deviated. Deviated means move away from. So these were the word meanings for today. Fine. Note down the word meanings. Read to the lesson again. I have read the lesson also and explained you also. Worksheet I'll give you very soon. Hope the schools to open very soon and we'll meet very soon. Till then, online classes are the best opportunity for you. Please don't miss any of the classes. Okay? Take care of your health. Wear the mask. Bye.